Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through how to install a winter well stove in a Sibley tent with a built-in stove jack. If your tent doesn't have one, you'll only need to use the exit kit. In this example, we're using the Winter Well Nomad View Large. All winter well stoves come with a heat-resistant silicone exit as standard. The Winter Well Nomad View Large also includes stovepipes, an airflow controller, and a spark arrestor. For this setup, we're also using a heat shield, 2 extra stovepipes, and a heat-resistant mat, all recommended for safe installation in a CanvasCamp Sibley tent. Let's start with the installation of the stove jack. Lay down the heat-resistant mat to protect your ground sheet. Place the stove on the mat and position it directly underneath the built-in stove jack in the tent. Once the position is set, take the exit kit apart. Use the bottom ring to mark the screw holes on the fabric. Puncture small holes on the marked spots using a knife. Insert the top ring of the exit through the holes from the outside in. Attach the bottom ring on the inside and secure it using the butterfly nuts. Don't insert the flexible silicone yet, that comes later. Cut out the inner circle of the exit to allow space for the pipe. Remove both metal rings again and place the silicone insert on the outside, between the outer ring and the tent fabric. Reattach the inner ring with the butterfly nuts. Now we can continue building the stove. Carefully slide the heat shield through the exit. Trim the silicone insert so the heat shield fits tightly through. A snug fit is ideal. Make sure the ventilation holes in the heat shield sit above the silicone exit. Finish assembling the stovepipes and place them on top of the heat shield. Install the spark arrestor at the very top. Make sure the chimney extends well above the peak of the tent. This ensures safe and efficient airflow. And that's how you install a stove jack. Thanks for watching, and happy camping.